Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are replacing the center cap on our Vossen wheels. It's the 22-inch by 9.5 Vossen CV1 model. And we recently replaced all 4 new tires. So when we went to get the new tires put on and everything, 3 days later the center cap disappeared while we were driving. And I think what happened was when they removed the center cap, it loosened the adhesive that held the center cap in place. So then when they popped it back on, the adhesive was pretty weak and it just fell off while we were driving. But we went ahead and ordered another replacement. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how I removed the center cap frame and then install a new center cap. Check it out. So we went ahead and purchased another cap. So these are Vossen CV1 wheels, and bought a brand new cap to put on here. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. So basically this is just the frame for this right here. So there's 4 tabs that hold this in place. So what you can do is when you have this, you can actually push it in like that and pull this out. Yeah. So it's just the frame for it. And then you take the new cap. I'm going to face it with the word Vossen and then opposite from the valve stem. So we're going to put it right here. Alright, so we have a brand new center cap. It's so shiny compared to the rest of the rim, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up the rest of the rim. I'm just going to use a ceramic spray for the rims. Okay, so in order to get between here, you go like this, almost like flossing your teeth. Alright, all done.